Your Chase.
Yes, I am Sean.
Um, I am Sean. My name is Sean, and I am gonna be your teacher for the 30 minutes tonight.
Yeah, maybe
So,
20. Yeah,
Chase.
yes,
Um, uh, is Chase your English name?
English name.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So, can I ask what is your Korean name, or how do people in your place call you in your place?
I'd rather say my name just Mr. Park.
Ah?
Mr. Park.
Oh,
Just call me
Mr. Park.
Park
That's
Park.
it's a very cute name.
No, no,
So,
no, no. I mean, Park is my family name.
what?
Park is my family name.
Tuck?
Park Park.
Can you type it here?
Just Park.
Oh, Park.
Family name.
It's so cute. Also,
Really?
tell me, Chase, how have you been today?
I've been fine. Just nothing
Uh?
special. You
No.
cannot hear me? Right?
I can actually hear you. What did you say again?
I've been just fine. I've been fine, and nothing
Mm.
special happened today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So it is just like a normal day.
yeah, right, right. So what about you?
Um, uh, it's actually a different day for this week every day because I've been, as you can see, I'm going through this evaluation.
Yeah,
Okay, so I'm enjoying it, by the way. And so tell me, Chase, uh, what do you mostly do in your free time?
in my free time,
Yeah.
um, I'm taking care of my child when
Mm.
I got home after work,
Mm-mm.
and I just take take classes in the Mint.
Mm-mm. So
And
that's it. You don't have do you have a job?
yeah, I have.
Do was it okay to if we talk about that? I want to hear it.
Mm, I'm I'm just a worker. I'm working for a motor company. Actually,
What?
I'm working in a motor company. Motor vehicle
Motor.
car company.
Wow, that's awesome. How long have you been working in this motor company?
It has been 7 years since I
7 years?
first started working here. 7 years. Why are you surprised?
Wow, 7 years? That's a lot of years, and
seven
a lot
years.
of years to commit to a work. Um, so tell me, what do you do in this motor company?
Um, I do prepare like everything for manufacturing new cars in a factory.
Mm.
Like we have a lot of facilities and we have a lot of equipment for manufacturing completed
Also,
car.
also, you are like arranging cars.
Not
You
R&D.
arrange
I arrange
you arrange the parts of a car.
the part.
Yeah.
No, I'm a mechanical engineer. I uh, modify some equipment
What?
for what?
Can you tell me that again?
Uh, when we want to manufacture new cars in the current factory, and the design of car is totally different from others, and the parts are different, of course. Do you hear
Uh-uh.
me? Yeah.
Uh-uh.
So let's say that when we want to assemble the front glass to the body, we normally use robot. It is automatically assembled. You know what I mean? The glass, front
You
glass.
you use robot?
Uh, I mean, um, assembling glasses to body.
Oh,
Body is just a frame, car frame.
oh, that's awesome. So, do you enjoy that?
Yeah, I'm trying to enjoy my job.
You try to enjoy. So, tell me what other than the job or other stuff, what do you like doing most, or what are your hobbies? The things that you like doing best.
Yeah, my hobby is playing soccer.
What?
My hobby is playing soccer.
Playing soccer?
Yeah,
You you play sports?
yeah.
Since when did you start practicing soccer?
Just when I was elementary school. Elementary school. When I was in
Oh, you're
elementary
so
school.
young. Oh, so who do you play soccer with?
I, I, I played soccer with my friends back then. Of
Mm,
course.
uh,
Yeah, I'm
oh,
not a professional player. Just it's my favorite hobby.
oh. Other than soccer, what are the sports do you think that you can actually try?
Um, Playing billiard could be a
Billiard.
sport. That could be a sport.
Oh yeah, billiard is actually, I think it is a sport because I like billiards too, and especially basketball. Um, in billiards, who do you play to with? Also with your friends or workmates?
Yeah, both. Anyone I know.
Oh, anyone. But have you tried how can I say this? Do you often play billiards or just sometimes?
Just sometimes I don't have enough my free time recently,
Mm,
so I don't go to billiard uh, shop, no billiard place
mm-mm.
nowadays. Yeah.
Okay. So in billiards, how did you learn to play billiards? Because actually for me, I just started to learn to play billiards when my friend don't want me to actually join the game, but I just watch them playing the billiards, and I just put myself in. Uh I just I just learn it by myself. No one teach me. But for
Mm-hmm.
you, how did you learn billiards?
My senior from the university. When I was in university,
Mm,
majority of seniors used to go to billiard hall and we played together. They taught everything, and I got
mm.
yeah a lot of skills.
Uh,
And
so 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 it is like the the way you learn that sport is it's like hanging out with your friends.
yeah, right.
Okay. So, um, tell me, Chase, are there other more sports that you wanted to like play, or other sport that you like to play also?
No,
You tried playing basketball?
I don't like basketball.
But you've tried it, or you just don't like it that you never tried playing it.
Of course, I experienced uh,
Mm.
yeah, playing basketball, but that was not so interesting for me. And actually, when
Mm.
I was in army, I was playing basketball with co-soldiers, and I got hurt to my finger when I tried to catch the ball from others, and my finger was banded.
Was
Banded finger was banded or
they
sprained.
bend?
Yeah, my finger was
Oh.
sprained,
Mm.
and I
So
felt a lot of pain on my finger, but I couldn't do anything. I couldn't be treated by medical
mm,
thing because I was a young soldier,
you
and
were.
young soldier, it I mean it hadn't been it hadn't been a long time since
Mm.
I went to army.
I saw you have a bad experience from basketball.
Yeah. So that's why I
Oh.
don't like to play basketball.
But for me, my favorite sport is actually basketball. But you've told me that you are in an army before.
Yeah,
How long?
2 years.
Wow, 2 years. So tell me, why did you join the army?
It was mandatory thing.
What?
It was mandatory.
Oh, oh, oh. I
Uh,
I remember. How can you tell me how was the training started?
Chinese.
Yeah, because I think that there is when you enter military or an army, there's a lot of training that you could
Training.
run to, right?
Yeah,
How did it started? What type of training is your first training?
training.
Mm-mm. What did you first do? Did you run 1,000 miles, or did you uh did a lot of physical activities?
Yeah, but as I remember, the first training that I learned
Mm.
was to keep
Two?
uh, what
The first training you ran was?
was to keep my posture without any without moving.
Wow, how long was that?
I don't remember, but uh,
But do you remember that it made your body ache so much?
yeah,
Oh, yeah, oh my gosh, I did remember those time actually. But in here we actually when I was in college we had the training of we called it ROTC in here, and I had that type of training too. And actually after that I collapsed.
you
what what part of the training you remember you experience a lot of body aches or a lot of pain in your body?
body.
Mm.
Um,
Or a certain training that you felt like you are giving up. You felt like your body couldn't take it anymore because of too much pain from too much training.
mm, I I had to go uh, somewhere with full equipment
Uh,
like a full bag
like
and
a
like a can I say full baggage bag,
full?
fully full. Oh,
Can you write it down over here, please?
홀백이지. 백이지? 백이지?
Oh,
Yes.
what did you carry those?
Yeah.
How heavy their weigh? How heavy it is?
I think it was more than 20 kilograms.
Wow.
And
How lo
I
how
have
long did you carry it?
over 10 kilometers
Oh
walking.
my God. Oh,
And
what?
yeah, I was, no, I hold my gun as well. And I wore my full bag. And
Oh,
I wore the helmet. And I wore the
what?
belt
Oh, oh, okay.
with a bottle of water.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
So do you, but after that certain type of training and you felt a lot of body ache, what did you do to don't to prevent the ache? Do you still remember?
don't to prevent what?
To to prevent the pain from
Uh,
stopping you from the
no,
training.
I couldn't do anything.
Oh, so you just have to tolerate it.
Yeah, right. Because yeah, it was army, so that's what army is.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
it's
okay.
yeah,
So,
that's not a like public society. That's not a
oh,
society like this.
so
Mm,
how did the training goes for you? What is the effect of this training for you?
um,
Or how do you think that the training changed you as a person?
uh, just nothing affected me actually. But I just really missed my family and my friends. They're
Mm,
suffering from a lot of pain, a lot of difficult training. I
mm-mm.
just missed my people, and
Yeah.
I thought that um, yeah, that was all actually.
Mm. May I ask, what part, which part of Korea did you do this training? Is it very far from your place, or far from Korea?
It is. They are in Korea.
Which part of Korea did you do the training?
Uh, so where was uh,
Where is it?
yeah,
Where did you do the training?
yeah, nearby North Korea, just
Uh,
down side of North Korea.
oh,
So I
you went there.
yeah, no, I went there, but it's not for North Korea land. It's still
Oh,
yeah, in South Korea. But
so it is.
I saw the mountain from North Korea when I
Mm,
no
so
yeah,
it is quite safe.
of course.
Oh, okay, okay. So, tell me, I've heard that, I'm just going to ask you about this certain topic, that I can bring up if you wanted us to talk about it, because I heard that the president of the North Korea and the president of South Korea met to make peace together. And what do you think about this meeting of the two presidents? Hello?
Yeah,
So
I
I'm
know. Yeah,
going to about this politics that has been going on in your country. What do you think about this event?
yeah, it must be good for us because when we are uh, united together,
Mm-mm.
and people who were already separated from their family can meet together soon, and yeah, they
Mm.
can meet their family, and
From, yeah.
Yeah, from what?
Oh, so you are saying that it is a good thing because the the family that had separated from the war can meet now.
Yeah, right.
Mm, okay, so um I'm gonna ask if socially, people from North Korea are going to South Korea, and you are now going to do everything like eat together as be friends or socially be interact with you. What do you think about this? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, we could be friends, and yeah, we could eat
Oh,
together if,
mm,
yeah, I think we can do that because we are
yeah.
the one national
Mm,
nationality actually,
oh,
and
okay,
yeah,
okay.
there's no hostile for
So it
together.
you really has a nice perspective on your government over there. So, tell me, Chase, I wondered why do you study English?
So why uh
Um,
no no I
have,
mean yeah, why do you, why are you
why
always
do
changing the topics?
oh it I'm really
I
I'm
just
really
wondering, yeah. You just
I'm
yeah
really
asked me about political thing and North Korean, yeah, but you
uh
just
okay, so I'm just curious because from the first you told me that you went to army and then we went to the political topic, and I remember that in your job right now from being on an army we talk about the interaction of North and South Korean, right? But now I wondered about you, you personally, why are you studying English even though you are not in the army anymore, and you are in your job right now?
I want my job to be related to English, so
Oh,
I'm just preparing.
oh, in what way?
What?
In what way that
Wait,
studying English could be related in your job? So, are you telling me that so that you can interact with other people just with using the English language?
no, not at the moment. But I
What?
not at the moment.
Oh,
And
but do you have plans like to go to other countries and use the language?
I used to have some friends of mine from
Mm.
the other country, but I don't contact them anymore. But I can go to another countries for a business trip.
Oh. Oh, okay, okay. So, how long have you been studying English now? In Mint?
Meant it's been 3 months.
Oh, 3 months.
Yeah.
How was your first experience? When at the first month, how was your how did the experience goes, or what has been the interaction with teachers with you goes?
Interaction with teacher.
Yeah. Yeah. How was it?
It was nice,
Mm,
and
okay.
yeah, we shared our uh, daily things, and we
Mm-mm.
shared a lot of topics, a lot of
Mm,
our
a
own
lot of.
thoughts.
Mm-mm. So, do you still remember what is the name of your first teacher in here, Mint?
For teacher, it might be Miley,
What?
probably Miley.
Miley?
Yeah, it
Is
might be Miley.
is that a guy or a girl?
No, a girl.
Oh, okay. So, what is your what I can say that your junior. What has been? How did the first topic went for you?
For topic?
Yeah. Do you still remember your first topic back
No,
then?
no, I don't remember.
Mm. But how can you say that in which part of English speaking skills have you improved when you enrolled in Mint?
I didn't say that my English skill has been improved.
Mm.
I didn't say it to you like that.
But how can you judge the your English speaking skill from ever since you enrolled in Mint?
I didn't get it.
Oh,
What was the point? Yeah.
yeah. My point is, how do you think that it changes your English speaking skills?
So you are asking me that my English skill has been changed or has been improved or not, right?
How did it improve? What do you think? How did it improve?
I don't know. I don't even think that my English has been improved.
But do you practice? Do you still practice speaking English with other people rather than this conversation right now?
No, I just study English myself with aside from Mint English.
Mm. Oh, so you just want to study this for practice?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, it's a great thing. From other subjects rather than English, what do you like talking about?
Except for English,
Mm-mm. Or what?
nothing at the moment.
Nothing at all. But when do you still remember when you were studying that? What are the other subjects that you like most?
I don't know. Chemis-
Oh,
Chemical thing maybe.
oh, chemistry. Oh, those are the subject that you do such experiments, right? Especially in the laboratories.
It might be because my major is like chemical thing.
Chemical
So
engineering.
yeah, it's like that. But actually, it was polymer engineering.
Oh, okay. But is that your course in college?
Yeah, right.
Why did you like chemical engineering or something to do with chemicals?
I don't know.
So you don't remember.
Yeah, I don't know. I just got into that major and I majored in that major and yeah, that's all. Sorry, but I gotta go now, teacher.
What?
I
I
gotta
got.
go. Yeah, we finished the class.
Oh,
Yeah, it's already
oh,
time's up.
oh. It's okay. So I am going to end this class now. Hope you had a good time because I did actually. And thanks, Chase. Hope to see you again.
All right, see you.
Bye.